All right, so today what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna show you the DIY apps platform. Pretty much, I love this platform. Is the most complete mobile app platform that you can use for your DIY apps. So, and most of the features are out of the box. So if you wanna check it out, use it for your business or your marketing and things like that to build apps quickly. So yeah, just go to DIYapps.ca. It takes you to this page. Hit on build for free. Select just to get into the app. Just select any category or industry that you are in. It really doesn't matter at this stage. When you say business, so this is where now you can pick your particular app type. So let's say real estate kind of thing, right? If you want to change this back, you can do that. We have that drop down, right? So all right, so let's say we pick that. Put your information, just pretty much enter the default stuff. It's pretty much easy. Agree to the terms. What that does is it gets you to this page. So it gets you to this page. So this will be your first landing page for your dashboard. So today I want to show you how you can be able to build your apps and see what the functionality we have at the back end, right? All right, so when I come and let's go to marketplace, right? So this marketplace this is where you have all your, we call them plugins or features or functionalities, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, the basic things that you need for an app are pretty much out of the box, right? So you have an image gallery, you have your community wall, you have events, if you have your media, right? You have your geofencing. If you want to link to OpenTable or BookMe, other advanced features, you have your folders, your coupons. If you do coupons, right, you see like it's pretty much straightforward. If you want to do QR codes, you want to do a punch card, we just did a video for this one. If you want to do a countdown timer, like if you want to do broadcast radio. So as you can see, there's amazing features here for free that you can start off with your app, that even you don't need to program or do anything, right? Look at locations, places. So these places you can use it for your directory. If you want to do a directory, you can do social walls where you want to do people chatting and things like that. You are ordering, menu ordering, right? We have your smooth chat. You can really talk to each other. WooCommerce, if you're WooCommerce, if a WooCommerce platform, you can integrate it with your app. Also Shopify, you also have Shopify for this one, right? And these are pretty much free. So when you upgrade or go to different levels, you get access to other premium and also enterprise features. So yeah, check it out. And then if you have any questions, just hit us up at hello@DIYapps.ca. All right. Thank you and have a great one. Peace.